Hey guys, we're doing good. In today's video, you're gonna see step-by-step guide for beginners about the WordPress plugins. So we'll begin with the introduction. So there are many benefits of using WordPress to power your brand's online presence. From its flexibility as an open source content management system, which is CMS, to the dedicated community of WordPress developers that constantly contribute to its core software. Notable agencies and brands across the globe choose WordPress to power incredible digital experiences. One area where WordPress really shines is through its countless integrations, including its vast ecosystem of modular code known as plugins. So WordPress is awesome because of its ability to easily extend and expand its functionality through plugins. WordPress plugins are bits of software that enable you to easily add new functionality to your websites, from maps and charts to SEO and e-commerce tools. Plugins are added either automatically through the WordPress dashboard or manually by downloading the zip file directly. This usually requires some familiarity with file transfer protocol or FTP, while with more than 50,000 free WordPress plugins to choose from, figuring out which plugins you need and which ones you can do without might seem like a daunting task, while the answer will vary depending on each use case. This guide will help you understand what types of WordPress plugins are out there, and which ones you might consider installing on your site. Plugins are extremely popular among WP Engine uh, customers. For a real-world view into the widespread popularity of WordPress plugins, look no further than our customers at WP Engine, who have more than 7.1 million plugins installed across nearly half a million WordPress sites. Of our more than 120,000 global customers, 37% have between 1 and 10 plugins installed. Another 37% have installed 11 and 20, and 17% have between 21 and 30 plugins installed. That number begins to decrease as the number of active plugin installs gets higher. Nonetheless, 6% of our customers have between 31 and 40 plugins installed. 2% have between 41 and 50, and 1% have between 51 and 60 active plugins currently installed on their website, on their WordPress site. Of those plugins, the most popular with our customer are Gravity Forms, WP Bakery, and Slider Revolution, which together make up 80% of our top 10 most installed plugins. Other popular plugins among WP Engine customers include Yoast SEO Premium, WP Rocket, WP Forms, Web Builder Essential Guide, Opt-in Monster, and WooCommerce subscriptions. Plugins also require ongoing maintenance and management. There is no question that plugins are massively popular, but managing plugins remains a challenge for many WordPress users. Like any piece of software, plugins require regular updates and maintenance to ensure that bugs and security vulnerabilities are patched. At WP Engine, we keep a close eye on the growing plugin ecosystem and even maintain a list of plugins that are disallowed on our platform, often because they are at odds with our internal security standards. Nonetheless, we still see an average of around 50 plugin vulnerabilities affect our customers every month, and the bulk of them are due to overdue plugin updates. Updating and maintaining plugins is simply hard to keep up with, as the user's plugin portfolio grows, so does the task of keeping them all up up to date and secure. In an effort to solve this issue, WP Engine released Smart Plugin Manager, which automates plugin updates to keep your site secure. Once Smart Plugin Manager is up and running, you no longer need to devote valuable time and resources to reviewing and updating plugins. Instead, plugins are automatically checked for updates every 24 hours to make sure those updates don't interfere with your workflow. You can also select an ideal time of day for those updates to occur. Finally, updates can be customized to run automatically or manually depending on user preference for each plugin. Uh, Read on to learn more about the wide range of WordPress plugins grouped into categories not to be included in this list. Each plugin must have been updated within the last year and have above a 3-star rating. So what's inside? Some marketing plugins, monetization plugins, development plus design plugins, media plugins, customer experience plugins, defensive plugins, business development plugins, site optimization plugins, uh, miscellaneous plugins, plugin index about WP Engine. So we begin with the marketing plugins. So the one and only SEO plugins. So if you want to build a larger online audience, search online optimization. SEO is imperative, while WordPress is on its own is great for SEO right out of the box. There are SEO plugins that can help your content rank higher. There are a couple of WordPress-based plugins to help you implement a better SEO strategy. The one and only, the most known Yoast. So with more than 5 million active installations, Yoast SEO is one of the most popular WordPress plugins out there. It's also one of the most downloaded plugins among WP Engine customers. Yoast helps you improve SEO, increase reader engagement, and attract more visitors through social media. With its settings, the plugin's main features include keyword optimization and content analysis. The plugin will literally tell you what you should change in your content keyword-wise to rank higher in search engine results. Other awesome aspects of Yoast SEO include readability check, which ensures its technical configuration rolls out the red carpet for search engines, as well as easy canonical URL enablement, 24/7 support, and more. So all-in-one SEO pack. All-in-one SEO is another tool that allows you to optimize your content for search engine results. While this plugin offers powerful SEO functionality out of the box, there are also advanced options including API for developers. All-in-one SEO supports many integrations, including Google sitemaps, AMP, Google Analytics, and its PHP 7 Plus compatible. One of the most useful features in all-in-one SEO is its pages view, which allows you to make both changes to the SEO title, description, and keywords of your content. So we have also WordLift, all AI powered SEO, the artificial intelligence you need to grow your audience. WordLift brings the power of artificial intelligence to help publishers and content editors produce richer content, grow their organic traffic, and engage with the audience. This plugin helps you organize posts and pages by adding facts, links, and media to build beautifully structured websites for both humans and search engines. Sitemap plugin. So a sitemap is a list of website pages that puts your content into an organized model, making it easier for web crawlers to navigate your site when your WordPress site has an effective site. It makes it easier for search engines to understand what types of content you are offering, and it can improve search engine rankings. Aside from the already mentioned SEO plugins, which include sitemaps functionality, here are a few other sitemaps plugins you might consider. So we have Google XML sitemaps. Google XML sitemaps is among the most popular sitemaps plugins with more than 2 million active installs. You can use this plugin to generate a special XML sitemap that helps the most popular search engines, Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Ask.com, index your site XML sitemaps. It is easy to use and it won't detract from site performance. Jetpack. Jetpack by WordPress offers a multitude of security, performance, uh, and site management features, including sitemap capabilities. You can install in Jetpack that automatically creates a sitemap for your site, as well as one tailored specifically for Google News. If you decide to use a different sitemap plugin, you can still install Jetpack for its other features and turn the sitemap capabilities of lead generation plugin. So a business simply cannot survive without adequate lead generation. Without lead generation, you can't reach out to new customers and discover opportunities to grow your business. It's essential to have an effective and reliable lead generation plugin in your WordPress site. These plugins will help you collect and manage emails, find new clients, and expand your business. HubSpot all-in-one marketing one marketing. HubSpot all-in-one marketing is a free WordPress plugin that will help you grow your email list, manage your contacts, and send marketing email all through HubSpot's free CRM. This plugin includes lead capture tools like forms, pop-ups, live chat, and an integrated free contact database CRM. HubSpot all-in-one marketing also allows you to build and send email campaigns and manage your digital ads through HubSpot. All these features work immediately with no developers help needed. Pop-ups by Opt-in Monsters. Get more email subscribers now. So Opt-in Monster helps you grow your email list and get more subscribers with pop-up and other types of high converting opt-in forms. Opt-in Monster is available for free but does require a paid subscription to use. The plugin comes with an easy to use form builder, exit intent technology, page level targeting, and behavior automation, all of which have resulted in massive conversion rates of users. Sumome generates leads by helping your readers tweet and share your content. The plugin also adds a pop-up and sign-up form on your website. Tools like the Sumome Welcome Smart Bar, Scrollbox, and more will help you grow your traffic while collecting valuable leads. Mail Opt-in. So Mail Opt-in is another great plugin that helps with lead generation, customer acquisition, and email marketing and automation. The plugin allows you to exponentially grow your emailing list, display targeted messages across your WordPress website with the pop-ups behavior before and after post opt-in forms and sidebar widget subscriber forms. Mail opt-in also lets you send automated event triggered newsletter such as automated new post notification. Instagram plugin. So while Instagram is a popular social media platform for sharing visual experiences and memories, it's also a great outlet for showcasing your brand through visual storytelling. If your brand has an Instagram account, why not share it on your website? There are a number of awesome Instagram compatible plugins that can help you add your photo feed to a specific page or post on your site. There are some of our top picks. Just remember, if your profile is set to private, be sure to change it to public of this plugins. Smash button social media, social photo feed. If you're looking for a mobile friendly and responsive template for sharing your photo feed, then the Smash button uh, social photo feed plugin might be for you. This plugin allows you to display one or multiple Instagram accounts, giving you the option to choose from thumbnails, medium, and large photo sizes. The plugin also contains a follow on Instagram button, the ability to randomize the order of your images, shortcode options, and complete customization with CSS and JavaScript. Then Web Social Photo Feed. Then Web Social Photo Feed provides you with an enormous range of options when it comes to displaying an Instagram feed on your site, fully responsive. This plugin provides user-friendly management and easy setup. You can easily embed a gallery into any post or page using shortcode or by activating the plugins sidebar widget. The plugin also gives you the ability to choose from a range of different layouts, as well as the ability to filter out any specific photos you don't want to be displayed. You can even redirect your images to open via Lightbox. Access Wordpress iFeed. So if you're looking to display your feed in a mosaic view, look no further than AccessPress iFeed plugin. This plugin gives you the option to choose from 3 beautifully designed layouts that you can display on your site. Simply use a widget or a shortcode to insert your Instagram feed into any post or page on your site. For a larger range or of customization options, AccessPress also offers a pro version of its iFeed feeds plugin, constant plugin. So what better way to attract more visitors to your website than by offering them a powerful and enticing constant or contest or giveaway. There are the two things that are pretty much universally liked in the world: winning and free stuff. The giveaway itself item doesn't have to be substantial either. After all, free is free not only when visitors feel the urge to participate. Most contests involve social sharing, which will generate even more traffic to your site. This constant plugins will make it easy to set the rules, establish a time limit, promote the event, and choose a winner. Contest by rewards fuel. So contest by reward fuel is a great plugin that can help your contest go viral. Administrators have the ability to set up specific guidelines that require users to complete tasks on social media to win, such as sharing on Facebook or creating an Instagram hashtag. Currently, there are 16 entry methods for contests, including newsletter entry and Instagram follow, and more. And Whitebox design and launch socially reinforced contests and programs using Whitebox with easy to use, straightforward plugin. You can set up an instant reward referral constant goal-based rewards for sweepstakes campaign in minutes. For the monetization plugins, so monetization plugins, monetizing a website is mission critical for many WordPress users, but it can be a serious challenge. One good way to start monetizing your WordPress site is by using display ads through ad management plugins. A banner is typically provided by affiliate network or display advertising platforms like Google AdSense. With one of these plugins in place, you can easily place an ad on your site to start monetizing. Ad rotate, so instead of uploading your ad to widget, ad rotate lets you schedule and upload ads through an interface. Scheduling ads can be great if you know certain ads perform better and at certain times. You can also specify how ads rotate, and either shows one ad at a time, or have the ads rotate at a predefined time, such as every few seconds. PayPal Buy Now button. So the PayPal Buy Now button is a great plugin for securing purchases and increasing your chances of monetizing your sites. With this plugin installed, customers who don't have their credit card on hand can make direct purchase through their PayPal account. The plugin is super easy to set up, and in minutes anyone from around the world can start buying products or services from your site. Affiliate plugins. So whether you already run an existing popular WordPress site, or your site is still building loyal audience, affiliate plugins are a great way to help you monetize your site. Adding affiliate links to your pages and posts is a great way to cash in on your efforts. This affiliate plugins will help drive sales on your site. So WP Affiliate Manager, if you are looking to drive more sales to your store or site, WP Affiliate Manager might be for you. Affiliate Manager helps you track your referrals and affiliates sent to your site, so you can get the correct commissions. The plugin also reports real-time traffic and sales, so you can track earnings and payouts even better. There is no limit as to how many affiliates you can sign up. Easy affiliate links. So another solution for managing all of your affiliate links is Easy Affiliate Links. With this plugin, you can create short links to plug your affiliate links, so they blend in with your content. Links can easily be created using the visual and HTML editor. Ads are also possible, and include things like analytics and geo-specific links for regional and local sales support. Affiliate WP. So if you have already launched your website and you are still waiting for the sales to roll in, it's time to start telling people about your business. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest and most effective marketing strategies. Even if you have never done any marketing ever, Affiliate WP is a premium and full-featured affiliate marketing plugin for WordPress that makes affiliate marketing easy. Set up your affiliate program within minutes and start with creating affiliates to promote your WP engine hosted website. Crowdfunding plugins. By adding crowdfunding links to your site, you can assemble your users behind a cause. The purpose of crowdfunding is to raise funds for a cause you believe in, which is easy to build on WordPress. Here are a few plugins that can implement this feature. Ignition Deck. So Ignition Deck offers a unique crowdfunding framework that enables donation functionality. For this plugin installed, you can utilize real-time stats with both a beautifully designed front end and backend displays. The Ignition Deck works exquisitely with thousands of WordPress themes, and upgrade options allow you uh, to integrate with multiple gateways, with your own white label crowdfunding platform, and much more. The Charitable plugin provides a WordPress fund, fund, fundraising toolkit that gives you complete control over your WordPress fundraising efforts through the PayPal. You can help users support a common cause, utilize PayPal and offline payments, or you might consider premium payment add-on like Stripe or Pay First tailor your crowdfunding needs to existing for new content. For the e-commerce plugins, WordPress started out as a blogging platform. However, since its inception, it has evolved into a fully functional platform for creating an e-commerce site. Thanks to plugins and third-party developers, you can easily add e-commerce functionality to your site without even knowing how to code. Here are a few of the top WordPress plugins you can use to equip your site with e-commerce functionality. So you can start selling today. So we have the one and only WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is a leading e-commerce plugin with more than 5 million active installations and counting, featuring a complete suite of tools to help you build and run your online vendor business. Out of the box, WooCommerce offers hundreds of integrations, including PayPal standard gateway, check and bank transfer, Google Analytics, basic shipping options, the ability to add premium extensions for options such as FedEx, UPS, USPS, inventory management, reporting capability with any WordPress theme, and much more. Easy Digital Downloads. Easy Digital Downloads is an e-commerce plugin that makes it easy to sell non-tangible goods on your site, whether your download type is software, documents, photos, ebooks, sounds, graphics, or any other type of media file. The Easy Digital Downloads plugin makes your content available for purchase worldwide. Even the plugin supports 15 plus types of payments and is multi-language lingual. BigCommerce. So the BigCommerce for WordPress plugin combines the flexibility of WordPress with a robust commerce engine to allow mid-market and enterprise merchant to scale like never before. Scale your site with WordPress on the front and free backend resources from things like catalog management, payment processing, order fulfillment, and more. The BigCommerce plugin does the heavy commerce lifting, so letting you scale your e-commerce without losing speed or uptime. So we have also Shopify, as you can see here. So also Shopify is a standalone platform. It's also being developed into WordPress integration, so you can items on your uh, sell items onto your blog or website site. The extension works to create a standalone mini storefront on your WordPress blog or website, connected directly to Shopify's secure shopping platform. It's super easy to set up and gives you a ton of customization possibilities, so your end user won't even know there are on two separate platforms. For the development plus design plugins, so child theme plugins. So a child theme is a layer of code that narrates the functionality and design of its parent theme. Many WordPress users rely on child themes to experiment with the different elements and features of their sites while keeping the options fallback on their default code available if they don't like what they see, while you can create your own child theme from scratch. These plugins can also be helpful. Child theme configurator. So child theme configurator will quickly help you set up a child theme. You can identify the CSS attributes you want to change without having to look for them. The plugin will even automatically create your child theme with a single click. Every style sheet will be indexed, so you can go back at any time to look at the log of what you have done. Try making a variety of child theme and go through and use the best one. In addition to creating child theme, the plugin will also help you identify potential problems with your theme and help you address them with the with child then configurator. You will have the ability to truly customize every part of your website. So child theme wizard. So using child theme wizard, you can easily create a child theme without any additional tools from the WordPress admin. All you have to do is specify the theme you want to call it, and then the new theme will appear under the appearance theme. It's not easy. Slider plugins. So in the words of web design, a slider typically refers to an image slideshow added onto a web page. If you are interested in adding slider to your site, this makes it super easy. You can completely customize the slider to fit your needs and put it together quickly. Here are a couple of your picks that can help you create a beautiful slider on your site. So slider by 10 web. So slider by 10 web is a great option for adding fast loading, responsive, and SEO friendly sliders to your website pages, posts, theme header, or any other location. The plugin supports both images and videos on the slides, which can be customized with various transition effects. Slider Revolute. So Slider Revolute is another great option for adding dynamic sliders to your websites. While it is a premium paid WordPress plugin, Slider Revolute lets you create outstanding professional content modules with no coding required. It's also one of the top 10 most used plugins among WP Engine customers. For the form plugins, adding professional, highly functional contact and lead forms to your WordPress site is an important aspect of overall site design and ultimately lead capture and conversions. While building these forms from scratch can be a challenging task, there are hundreds of from plugins available that make it easy to add this functionality. Some of our picks to help you sort through the crowd. WP Forms. So WP Forms is a powerful, easy to use form building plugin that lets you create beautiful contact forms, feedback forms, subscription forms, payment forms, and other types of forms for your WordPress site in minutes without writing any code, and while still providing the extensibility and customization that developers love. Contact Form 7. So Contact Form 7 is a great plugin that lets users create beautiful contact forms with more than 5 million active installations. It's one of the most popular WordPress form plugins and will allow you to manage multiple contact forms and customize theme to fit your needs. Contact Form 7 supports AJAX powered submitting, Kavachan, Akismet filtering, also the Ninja Form. So Ninja Forms is easy to use for senior developers and beginners alike. User-friendly, drag and drop platforms makes building forms explanatory, built-in uh, Hooks filters and customizable fields can also be utilized with Ninja forms. You can also modify and mark existing fields as favorites for later users will be redirected to success messages or elsewhere. Open completion of a form. Lightbox plugins. So in terms of of plugin extended media management, lightboxes are one of the oldest and most popular functionalities out there. Whether you are a freelancer trying to make your brand website more visually appealing, or a restaurant owner aiming to entice new customers with scrumptious pictures of your dishes, or some various lightbox plugins that can help you out. Responsive Lightbox by dfactory. So Responsive Lightbox by dfactory is a popular lightbox plugin for WordPress that lets users create galleries and view larger versions of images, galleries, and videos in Lightbox overlay optimized for mobile devices. The plugin's various Lightbox scripts include Swipebox, pretty photos, fancy box, Naval Lightbox, and Image Lightbox, and more others. Users can even apply this feature to YouTube and Vimeo links as well. ARI Fancy Lightbox. So ARI Fancy Lightbox gives users a stylish way to display images and videos with the ability to alter things such as overlay style, button size, button text, etc. This plugin can display various types of content in its lightbox, including photos, Google Maps, PDF files, and more. So similar to responsive lightbox above, this plugin is mobile friendly and can be easily integrated with social media sites such as Facebook, for example. Typography plugin. So one of the many great things about uh, WordPress is that it's completely customizable when it comes to design. You aren't just stuck with your theme's given font. There are a number of plugins out there that can expand your options. Just remember to pick a good font that's easy to read. There are a few awesome typography plugins that makes it easy to punch up your site with an exciting font. So Easy Google Fonts allows you to choose from Google's collection of more than 600 fonts. Simply enables the font you choose within your WordPress theme. No coding required. Another benefit of this plugin is it doesn't matter which theme you are using. This plugin is 100% compatible with any theme. Easy Google Fonts integrates with your customized custom customizer, so you can see a real-time preview of which options as you change colors and fonts. It also backs up its list automatically as the new fonts are added to Google's collection. WP typography. So WP typography is another solid option for improving with typography with attractive fonts. With more than 50 languages supported, the plugin contains intelligent character replacement that provides smart handling of elements including quotation marks, dishes, math symbols, and more. Can also use CSS hooks for styling character aspects such as ampersand, number, numbers, uppercase, words, initial codes, and agreements. For the shortcut plugins to extend WordPress functionality, you might consider adding a WordPress shortcut plugin to your site. Shortcut cuts allows you to execute code on posts, pages, etc. without having to directly write code. Instead, you can use this little pieces of code to execute larger command out of site. There are some shortcut plugins you might consider using. The shortcuts Ultimate. Shortcuts Ultimate give you access to a mega pack shortcuts from easily creating tabs, buttons, boxes, sliders, and cursors, responsive videos, and more. You can take your WordPress site to the next level without having to expert the extra energy needed to code these features up. If you're looking for an extra punch, there are premium paid add-ons that include extra shortcuts, additional skins, the shortcut creator, and add-ons bundle for the AMR shortcut. Any widget, if you are looking for a way to add widgets to your site, shortcuts could help you. Could help the AMR shortcut. Any widget plugin was designed especially to allow you to insert widgets into page using a shortcut. All you have to do is install the plugin and then go to appearance widgets and drag and drop the widgets you want to display in your post or page into the shortcuts sidebar and simply go to the post you want to display the widgets on and enter that shortcut into your content. Easy peasy, as you can see. For the media plugins, for the video plugins, images are a great way to supplement your content, but videos can be even more dynamic and engaging. Video can pull in more viewers and keep them on your site longer. That said, the native media app in WordPress may not format your videos the way you want. That's where plugins come in. I've compiled a few of the most popular video plugins out there. With this, you'll be able to display your own videos or pull them in from somewhere else. Cloud Flare Stream Video. The Cloud Flare Stream plugin for WordPress gives site owners full control over their video strategy, allowing users to easily integrate video into their WordPress sites. The plugin is block native, meaning it works well with the new WordPress post editor and offers additional features such as multiple playback options per minute, pricing adapted by trade and by your streaming and video storage, among many others. YouTube embed plugin, one of the easiest ways to upload it and view videos. Line is through YouTube. Once you upload your content, use the YouTube embed plugin to put it into your site. The plugin allows you to add an entire YouTube playlist right on into your site. Or opt for a video gallery. You can choose to enable automatic play or let users scroll through the playlist. The plugin also creates custom thumbnails, so you don't have to open downloading the plugin. You will get a special button for YouTube right next to Add Media on admin controls, making it incredibly easy to pull in any videos you want. So if the channel is your own, add a subscriber button below the video gallery and boost your numbers. We have the WP Video Lightbox. So WP Video Lightbox allows you to display videos in a different way. When a user starts to play a video, it will pop out and make the screen behind the player dark. This makes it easy to view the video without the distractions of the post or ads behind it. The plugin works with YouTube or Vimeo, and it's very easy to embed. If you don't have a lot of video content, the plugin can also be used to create a lightbox for photographs and other images. It's also a great plugin for infographics and diagrams, audio player plugins. Embedding audio files on your WordPress site can be challenging if you don't have the right plugin or knowledge of code. For one reason and or another, you might run into a situation where an audio file is required on your site. There are a few plugins you can use to enable audio player functionality on your WordPress site. Compact WP Audio Player. Compact WP Audio Player uses an HTML5 plus Flash hybrid to embed MP3 audio files on your website. Fully responsive and compatible with all web browsers, you can easily add a compact audio player to any page or post on your site with shortcode. The plugin is compact as stated in its name, with only one customization feature located in settings as SEO audio player that determines whether or not front end users are able to play multiple audio files at once. HTML5 audio player. Audio player is an audio plugin that offers a bit more functionality. Using this plugin, you can play MP3 WAV or OGG audio files on your WordPress sites. There's also the option to add a rating artist and title information, as well as cover image. As you can see, graph and chart plugins turning extensive amounts of data into a chart makes it more digestible at first glance, while charts can be used for presentations and PowerPoints. How many times do you see one in a blog post? Not nearly enough. A common misconception in charts are difficult to create on a website. This simply isn't true. There are numerous plugins that can do the job quite nicely. You might even end up finding it easier than within a chart in Excel. Visualizer, tables and charts manager for WordPress. So the visualizer, tables and charts manager for WordPress plugin is a simple, easy to use and powerful plugin that lets you create, manage and embed interactive charts and tables within your WordPress posts, posts and pages. The plugin uses Google Visualizations API, data tables, .NET and charts and to add responsive and animated charts and diagrams with the support cross-browser compatibility, adopting BMAL for older IE versions and cross-platform portability to new iOS and Android releases. For the customer experience plugins, so knowledge base plugins to reduce supporting queries, you might consider creating or adding a knowledge base to your site. A knowledge base, sometimes referred to as support portal or support garage, will help users find quick answers and resources for their questions. Here are just a few WordPress knowledge base solutions you might consider putting to use. WP Knowledge Base. WP Knowledge Base helps you create an attractive and professional knowledge base your customers can use to find answers to their support related questions or FAQs. This fully responsive plugin allows visitors to navigate their way to articles featuring answers using predictive text search engines to simplify the search process. For developers, it's super easy to adjust the look of the knowledge base to match your website. I've also Heroic Knowledge Base. Heroic Knowledge Base by Hero Themes is a premium paid plugin that helps reduce support costs and support tickets by making it easy to add and ethically pleasing knowledge base to your website. Some of the plugins features include the ability to add article attachments, content rewarding instant answers, and built-in analytics. Translation plugins. So WordPress now powers more than 35% of the internet. As that trend continues to grow, it's important to make sure your site is globally accessible to users who might not speak your native language. To bring a wider audience, you might consider installing translational plugin. Here are a few of the most popular translational plugins you can use to help broaden your global reach. Google Website Translator. Google Website Translator by Fresna harnesses the power the Google's automatic translation service, which translates your website into more than 100 languages. This is simple and complete multilingual solution for WordPress is easy to install and start putting to use. Local Translate. Local Translate is another great plugin for built-in website translation. This plugin's features include extraction of translatable strings from your source code, built-in WordPress local codes, support for video features like comments, and protection of the language directory for saving custom translations. Translate WordPress with gTranslate. So another great translational plugin uh, is Translate WordPress with gTranslate. Uses Google's translational services. Comes with more than 100 languages. You can translate your site, so meaning your site will be accessible to more than 99% of internet users. If you opt for the Pro version, your site will be fully SEO compatible, meaning your site will have even further international reach. Amazon Poly. While our Amazon Poly plugin for WordPress is not traditional transitional plugin, it is initially use case was for text-to-speak functions. It's duals wide-ranging translation capabilities. With the plugin installed, users can automatically translate text-based content and have it read in Spanish, German, French, Portuguese, and more. The machine translation feature is powered by Amazon Translate, which is no machine translation service that uses deep learning models to deliver more accurate and natural sounding translation than traditional statistical and error-based translation translation algorithms. Live chat plugins. So a healthy business growth not only depends on acquiring new customers but also maintaining your current customers' satisfaction. While customer support comes in all shapes and sizes, live chat is one area that allows you to resolve customer concerns in a timely manner. Using plugins to enable chat functionality within your WordPress website is a great way to adapt this functionality for a few of our topics. WP Live Chat by 3CX. So WP Live Chat by 3CX is aimed at small businesses looking for a cost-effective chat solution. It's one of the most popular WordPress chat plugins for a reason. The plugin comes with a long list of awesome features, including 6 predefined live chat box themes, the ability to drag and drop chat anywhere on your page, Google Analytics integration, translation capabilities, and much more. Talk Talk.to live chat. So Talk.to live chat is another great a chat plugin that gives users the ability to monitor and chat with site visitors. Something that's not only great for live chat but for generating new sales and leads as well. The plugins is compatible with web browsers and has even developed free apps for iOS, Android, Windows, and OS X. TDO Live Chat. So TDO Live Chat was designed specially for WordPress users. The plugin allows you to chat with and contact any visitor on your site. It's even support 140 different languages to help you with global reach. With TDO Live Chat, you can customize with three template designs and a completely customizable color scheme if its events allows for integration with the Zendesk, GetResponse, Salesforce, Mailchimp, and much more. Ratings, plugins, whether you are selling a product or service, online reviews can immensely impact potential customers' decision. In fact, when uh, browsing online, 70% of buyers look for products reviews prior to making a purchase, and 72% of consumers will take action after reading a positive review. Adding a review feature to your website is not only a great way to incentivize a purchase, it also allows for user generated content to appear to your site. If you are looking to add this functionality to your website or WordPress site, read below for some notable review plugins that will encourage user feedback on your content, products, and business. For example, widgets. Rating widgets star review system allows users to receive ratings and comments, comment reviews on all sorts of content including WooCommerce, products, auto reviews, body press, BBC Press, and more. In addition to offering a free option, Rating Widget also has advanced plan ranging from $3.99 to $29.99 and annually, as well as agency and enterprise specific plans. WYAS are yet another star rating. Is another solid option for adding ratings reviews, such reviews to your site. The plugin allows for both visitor reviews and voting reviews, and you can create multiple sets of stars for multiple criteria on a page or post. Installing the plugin is little more technically advanced than some of the other options out there, but the YASR provides well detailed instructions in the WordPress plugin repository. The plugin also supports shortcuts, rankings, and rich snippets. Tooltip plugins. A tooltip is a small pop-up that appears when a user hovers their cursor over or clicks on a particular icon or a highlighted word or phrase on your site. Tooltips are mainly used to display explanatory text that not every reader will need to go through, hence the name tooltip. For example, to define jargon or little tip of basic information relevant to the text or web page, and at the end, tooltip plugins can help you easily gain this functionality on your site. The CM tooltip glossary. CM tooltip glossary is an excellent tooltip plugin with great functionality. The plugin is able to create a glossary of tooltip tips rather than just inserting random ones without having any real way of keeping track of them. CM tooltips design is an underline to highlight a tip word or phrase, and this script pop-up with a solid color background. Uh, the rather simple design allows ultimate readability. And the last one is for WordPress tooltips. So easily create text tooltips and image tooltips, audio tooltips, video tooltips, link tooltips, glossary, more awesome. So WordPress tooltips is a powerful plugin that offers a great deal of customization and options for your tooltips. The plugin has a glossary functionality and also allows you to add multiple types of content to each tooltip: text, image, to text, images, links, videos, radio, and MP4, or all possible. You can also choose from 7 preset color schemes and 9 trigger methods. So we complete the other plugins in the upcoming videos. Thank you for your watch. Don't forget to like the video and so subscribe for the channel. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.